Hey, this is BlindFox. Welcome at my ration unboxing. Please support the channel. Please subscribe and please go and donate on patreon.com. So I got this from eBay and from the seller below. I think this has been opened somewhere. I hope not, but we'll just open this and see what is in there and if everything is still there. It should be there. Not a very substantial box. It looks like an English ration, and I'm not sure. You can see there is the English little flag there. Is there a menu number there? It looks like there's menu. So it is a UK bag ration. Menu number 8. Packed 2029. Ration pack. Contents and exactly sure what all of that is. Okay, that's just the contents, but it was packed in 2029 and it's menu number 8. Not sure when this expires, so I'll be reviewing it sometime and just add it on my channel whenever I get time to do so. So we've got this brown bag ration and there's only this little flag here. There's nothing else on it. Don't know if other rations can't remember all of the rest, but anyway, this is the ration. Interesting. And here we go, we got this from here. Well, I got it on eBay, but this is like, I think, a card. I hope you can read that. And I got this again from eBay. But I think they also have maybe a website, so. That was our little unboxing of the French ration. So, thanks for watching. Please support the channel. Please subscribe. Please go and donate on patreon.com. And see you at my next ration review. So, thanks for watching this little ration unboxing, and I got it from the seller on eBay. I'll put the link in the description below. So, thanks for watching. Please support the channel. Please subscribe. Please go and donate on patreon.com, and see you at my next ration review.